Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm bringing you a new video about an attar which I have made an already video upon, and this is just an updated video about the last video I made. The video could be new, but the attar is actually old. And yes guys, I am not gonna be talking much about it, just an updated video. There's a thing that I actually was going through and shortlisting all the others for you guys to review on, as I'm actually continuing the Cologne Attar series of designer perfumes. So welcome guys, welcome to my channel, and please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button, and please hit the bell icon below, and so that you get the notification of the new videos I actually work upon. So guys, as I'm actually going to be talking, I'm not going to be dealing much about it. I'm not going to be dealing the video about, just talking about things here and there. And I think that you guys must be noticing a little new background in the on the wall. I tried to make a little bit changes in the in my wall background, because I think that people might be really frustrated about the clean background, and so I tried to it's just a reminiscence of whatever I had in my background before, and I don't know if it's looked pretty or not, but nevertheless, I'm just trying to do something really new for you guys. So let's get back to the video and the subject of the video. So the subject of the video is about the attar, which I last reviewed on. There is a full-blown detailed video about this attar in the description down below, and I'll also link the video link in somewhere up here or here. So yes guys, I'm actually talking about blooming fig. I don't know if you guys can see or not. It's just getting really hard to focus. So guys, the name of the attar is blooming fig, and this is from the same house of Gulab Singh Jorimal. I actually was going through all of the attars I have actually reviewed, and I came across a fact that this attar blooming fig is I don't know. This attar blooming fig is the copy of a perfume, which is a very high-end perfume. May cost about 20,000 rupees, which is Philosykos or the Parfum by Diptyque. And let me just tell you guys, if you're not aware about the Diptyque is the same brand which makes the signature perfume of Mr. Shahrukh Khan, and the perfume name is Tam Dao. I'll also look for the alternative of that perfume because it's also very expensive perfume. And nevertheless, this perfume I've actually already mentioned you guys before, that I've already done a detailed video about it, and I will be linking every details of the video down below. And also let me just show you how the bottle of the exact perfume, what it looks like. So yes, so it looks like this. And I hope that you like my video, and that's all for today. It's just an updated video. I just do not want to just stretch the video topic too much, because I think that you guys must be getting bored apparently. So understanding the sensitivity of the situation and the mood of you guys, so yes, I'll end the video here. And yes guys, please subscribe my channel, and please hit the bell icon, and please do comments down below. Please do comment, because comment is the thing where I get to recognize and consider. I will be consider all the comments, whether it's bad, whether it's good. I'll try to respond on every comment I could. And if there is any scope of improvements in my video, I'll surely do that. Please do comment down below, guys. Thank you for watching my video of whatever time you're watching this video. So I guess it's good evening here, so I'll do good evening. So good evening, guys. Good night, guys. See you in the next video.